got finished doing the coilover conversion on the 2003 SL500, and I am now about to do a coilover conversion on the 2007 SL550. Oh, this is one of the most beautiful color combinations that I have seen. Let's check it out. First of all, the exterior is black. Ooh, wee, look at that. Good Lord Almighty. Sexy, beautiful, sophisticated, luxury. Oh, very, very manly. I like it. This is tough, masculine. Burgundy with the black. I love it. Sexy. I know these come in like the bright red sometimes. I haven't seen this color. This is like, is this Designo? Nope, not even the Designo. This is just one of the color options. I've seen like the pretty peanut butter, palomino type interior. I've seen like an orange like interior. I've seen some crazy colors. The orange might have been custom, but either way, no, it wasn't. They do make this in like a real basketball color interior. The 550, they had way better color options than they did the 500s. Yep, 07 and up. Yeah, it just came with some really, really nice colors. Now let's see the mileage on this one, 44,000. The keys. Hold on. Alrighty. Okay. Look at the dark wood. Woo, it's pretty. Goodness. It's just so sophisticated. Oh, I love it. So beautiful. All right. I saw some temporary, unavailable, something malfunction. All right, ABC, that's obvious. What else? I saw something else. Convenience function, so that means the rear battery is weak. This car has been sitting here for about 2 or 3 days. These batteries should last longer than that. Oh, look at those cars. Ooh, those are nice, aren't they? A 500 and a 560 SEC. And then of course the SL500. A couple of my personal cars. And then I have another 500 SEC that I don't know what I'm doing with yet. What am I doing with you? I don't know. But anyways, let me go ahead and get this thing pulled into the garage. Alrighty. I always have to go up on an angle so that front bumper doesn't catch, the lower part of the front bumper doesn't catch the curb. All right, we are in the house. All right, now let's pop the trunk. No, let's pop the hood. And let's see what we have going on. Here we go, 2007 SL550. My favorite color, black, it's beautiful. This is the 07 through 11 motor that comes with them. A different setup. If you look at the top of these ABC struts, they don't have plugs. This has the updated ABC system. With these, you can't just pull the ABC fuse. You have to actually get it programmed out, coded out using Star System. And so with this car, you still install the same power steering pump. This is the original ABC pump. You still install the same standard power steering pump and replacement. It's a little bit difficult to get this one out in comparison to the SL500 and 55, just because the motor is a little bit more cumbersome, bulky, bigger, takes up more space, less space between to do the work that I need to do. But same components regarding ABC functionality. The pump is a little bit different though. It doesn't have the pulsation dampener separate right here. Instead, it's all a part of the pump itself. So the pump actually is a little bit more bulkier. It has a big bulb, which acts as the pulsation dampener. Still gotta take the valve blocks out of here and the ones back there. And the lines that come across the front, still have to remove all that stuff. So I'm about to get started. and you'll see the results, because I'm going to focus on this job and not record every step of the process. All right, let me just do this, do what I need to do. I always start off with the under paneling, take the wheels off, both front wheels, get all the splash guards removed and the underside. I access 2 of the bolts from up underneath, the one that runs the this bar right here from the ABC pump to the engine block. I get that from up underneath, and then there's another little bolt that I cannot access from the top that I have to do up underneath. That's only on these 550s, the newer ABC system. There's an additional little screw or bolt that I have to do from up underneath besides that one. And once I do that, then everything else is from the top. There's an extra bracket in the front that I have to remove also. Get that out the way. It's a little bit extra, a little bit different, but I'm used to it. I've done this a million times, so it is what it is. So let me get to work. This is, again, one of the more beautiful models that I've had come this way. Why? Because it's black? Yeah. Also because this interior, the contrast is so crazy. God, this is so gorgeous on black. Come on, man. Man, I roll with the windows down all the time, man. Usually I tint my windows, but I would roll with the windows down on this color combination. Oh, don't drop the top. Oh, it's over. Don't drop the top. Man, let me get this color combination on the 5.5. I go crazy. The 550 is definitely cool. Definitely a cool car. But I'm just a 5.5 guy. I love the AMGs. But this is gorgeous. The owner of this vehicle, oh, what are these AMG wheels too? Yeah. Man, this thing is nice, bro. Goodness. Yeah, the owner of this vehicle, he's cool. I think he even let this thing sit for a while. He's like, I got it. I don't have to worry about it. But then once he decided to pull it back out, once he remembered that he had it, he sent him my way to get the ABC removed. I mean, what a blessing. And I thank him for considering me, my business. I think he did a chat GPT, and that's how Gold Element Autoworks came up for him. So that's pretty cool too. So I love the exposure. I put the work in. I make the video content. I'm very active on social media. I interact with the customers. I try to leave a lasting impression, a positive lasting impression. All right. Thank you, those who support me. So let me go ahead and get to work and do what I need to do, and I will update shortly. All right, here we go. SL550 is done. Well, it's done, but it's not done. I still have to get the ABC coated out. But here goes the height. It's very nice, very good, very good. So that's where we are now. This is the 3/4 turn after you fully extend the Silver's Neomax adjustable coilovers. Decrease it down to 3/4 of a turn, and this is the height. This is the height that a lot of people are wanting their cars to sit. Very comfortable, very nice. It's like the lowest ABC setting. Very cool. So now I'm about to drive it, see how it feels. Has this beautiful interior. You do have the ABC light on, of course, as expected. All right. Handling feels good. Maybe I should put my seatbelt on. There we go. All right, see? So with the 07 through 11, you cannot clear it with this button. It will not clear it. You cannot pull the fuses either. That will not make the light go out. It will cause actually more lights to come on. Looks like he has a TPMS sensor. That is bad. And one of his wheels. So that's what the orange light is right there. Tire pressure sensor. Man, this car feels good, dude. Good acceleration. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Excellent. Making all that rap noise. That's the tools right here. Kind of making some noise. But yeah, the car feels really good, really good. As expected. As expected. What do we have here? Another one getting delivered. This is crazy. This is crazy. We have an AMG SL550 getting delivered from Xenia, Ohio. Why do I say this is crazy? Because I still have this one from Chicago that has to get picked up. I have one inside the garage in New Jersey that still has to get picked up. I have no space, but I'm still getting another one delivered. When people ask me what I've been up to, I want to tell them, I want to explain, hey, I'm working, I'm hustling, I'm working hard. Gold Element Autoworks is always working. But I don't think they really want to know that. I think they're just asking how I'm doing. But this is what I've been up to. This is my life right now. This is my life right now. Busy, busy, busy. Gold Element Autoworks. It doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. It just keeps going and keeps growing.